everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And in 2025, if you encounter the payment cards are not supported for this account error, here's a straightforward guide to troubleshoot the issue. The first thing you need to do is to ensure your credit or debit card is not expired. Then confirm that the billing address associated with your card matches the address in your payment account settings. Even a zip code mismatch can cause issues. Now for Google Payments, sign in at https://payment.google.com to review and update this information. Also check for required information. If the error message prompts you to submit additional information, follow those instructions carefully. The transaction might not be processed without it. So verify your card if applicable. Some platforms may require card verification. If you see a verification needed message next to your card, then you go to the payment settings. That is payment.google.com. Click verify next to the card. You might receive a small temporary charge with an 8-digit code on your card statement within 1 to 2 days. Return to the payment settings and enter this code to complete verification. Also consider your regional compatibility. If you're using a card in different country than your account region, e.g. PlayStation Store region, it might not be supported. If possible, use a card registered in the same region as your account. Confirm with your bank or card provided that online payments are enabled and that the card is not blocked. Some platforms do not support all types of card, e.g. corporate cards on Bybit. Check the set of payment method for the specific service you are using. You can also use alternative payment methods if necessary. With debit card is repeatedly not accepted, especially for international transactions like Apple Music in Nigeria, consider alternatives such as virtual dollar cards. Services like Cartonic may offer virtual cards that are more readily acceptable. Gift cards. Purchase gift cards for specific service and other payment services, like explore the third-party payment options that might be compatible. It's important for you to note for Nigeria that when it comes to, let's say, Apple Music, for example, as of 2025, Nigeria debit cards may face restriction on international platforms like Apple Music due to Apple's policies, banking regulations, and restrictions on international transactions. So using a virtual dollar card is often a reliable workaround in this specific scenario. Hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for